If I'm using gravel between my raised beds this year, what should I put under it? Cardboard, landscape cloth? Doesn't work in my garden. Weeds just take over. What can I do?
If you're just putting gravel down, you could put cardboard. You could put landscape cloth. I don't know if I would use landscape cloth underneath gravel.
It's going to be the best option.
Yeah, I guess
because cardboard is going to break down. A black, heavy-duty landscape fabric you can use, unless you're going to use a weed killer in the rocks with like Nat Green products, no more weeds. It's an organic weed killer. You're going to have weeds. So a thick, heavy landscape fabric with the rocks on top of it. Now, also keep in mind, if you're building a raised bed right now, you want to put that landscape fabric underneath part of that raised bed on both sides. Otherwise, if you're just going to butt it up against that raised bed, you're going to create a crack there, and there's going to be weeds that are going to come up. So that's something to keep in mind as well.
Especially, I don't know, weeds just seem to be extra aggressive these days. So, yeah, definitely if you are starting the raised bed process, tuck that landscape fabric underneath the raised bed so that it helps prevent the weeds from poking through.
Yeah. So, you can use whatever you want, but the weeds are going to be there unless you use something heavy, aggressive, and you don't want to chemically treat around your raised beds for that type of thing. That could toxify the soil. All right.